right, this is a Japandi-style living room layout with a Christmas vibe to it. Let me explain the lighting I got going on. Let me start over here. This is basically our key light. This is giving us our hard shadows and cool textures on the floor and on the wall. On this key light here, I do have a diffuser just so to block off some of the light here from hitting that very back wall and causing too much lines and weird shadow on the very back wall. Next to it is our fill light. This is bouncing into a V flat, and this is just filling up basically on this side, the rest of the room with nice soft ambient light. Further on from that, we have another light in a V flat coming from this direction, because otherwise you'd have dark back of the chair, dark here on the poof from this wall. So we needed a light a little bit more up front on camera side to light up this side of the furniture. Then over here on the other side, we have another fill light. This is another light bouncing into a V flat. This one's closed off a little more because I really just wanted to light up kind of this half of the room over here. This stuff's looking fine. I like a little bit of darkness on this side of the chair, but I needed some light just from this side of the room. Then down here, I have another light with a 5-degree grid on it and a CTO, I think this is a quarter, not sure exactly, but it's a CTO gel just to warm up this hanging pendant, which is actually blown out in the video, but this will lighten up the edge of here and create some separation from this back little divider and the hanging pendant. And then if we come into the back kind of wall room area here, we have this wall right here with some decor, and I have a light in a V flat bouncing onto this side, just creating a gradient on the back wall. And then over here, I think this one's my favorite light. This is lighting up just the edge of the doorway right here. I have a bunch of flags on here because I didn't want light to spill onto the front and the curtains. And then I have a flag right here because I didn't want the hard light, you can see right there on the tree, I didn't want that hard light back here. So I have this thing with just 2 flags on it, really just focused right here on the edge of the wall. Our camera is clear back here. We have a Canon 5D Mark IV with a 24-105 lens. This is parked right about 35 millimeters. And our camera settings are ISO 100, a 50th of a second, and f5.0.